Hello everyone. In this question, this equation is given, that is a plus a square plus aq minus 1 equal to 0. Then we have to find the value of this expression. So to solve this question, first I will write this equation, that is a plus a square plus aq minus 1 equal to 0. And I will tell you that I am going to solve with best solution. This is the best method for this question. Okay. Now if we divide both sides with a, then we can write, that is a get cancelled with a, that is 1, and this a square cancel with a, then become a, and this a cube become a square and minus 1 over a, and this becomes 0, because anything divided with 0 except 0 is 0. Okay, now we will notice here this equation and this equation both are equal. So if we consider this equation as a first and this equation as second, then we can equate this two equation. Then we can write here a plus a square plus aq minus 1, and this we can also write 1 plus a square minus 1 over a. Now this a get cancelled and a square, so we can write here aq minus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 over a, and aq, and this will come to, sorry, minus 1 over a. This minus 1 over a come to left side, then this become plus 1 over a, and this minus 1 goes to right side, this become plus 1 and 1, that is 2. So 2 will be the required answer, because we have to find the value of aq plus 1 over a, and which is the required answer. So thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe this channel.